Hello, friends. I am Sakshi Gupta. Under the Crio platform, I have worked upon a project, a Shark Tank application. Basically, I built a backend of Shark Tank where entrepreneurs can pitch ideas for a business or a product they wish to develop by providing some details like their name, title, and idea for the business, investment amount they expected to be fulfilled, and the percentage of equity they are ready to be shared away to the potential investors. And the investors must be able to retrieve the list of all pitches and share their feedback comments with a counteroffer as per their interest. So I will show you uh, the apis I have created. First of all, let's they have mentioned that the four apis we have to be make. uh, they are given the product flows that they are expected while building the backend for the application. Like entrepreneurs will post pitch by providing these inputs like name, title, idea, amount, and percentage. Same for the investors, like they will post a counter offer by providing some inputs like their name, amount, comments, percentage of equity. So let's start with the apis. So first api is to post a pitch. So this is the request body. Basically, the request contains a name, entrepreneur name, pitch title, ID, ask amount, equity, and if the pitch is created successfully, we have to return a string and a response code with it, 201. And if it is not created by somehow, so we have to return a response 4000 and invalid request body. So I will let me show you the code. This is the index.js file, and this is the schema, basically pitch schema, and the pitch offer schema, which I have included in this. And I have created apis in this file. So first api which I am talking about, to post a pitch, this is the api. I have included a necessary checks, and if it is successfully created, I will returning a response as mentioned. The next api is to make a counter offer of a pitch. So this is the request body. This is the inputs that have to be present in the request body. These are the responses. If created successfully, we have to return a response. In response, we have to return a ID and the response code as 201. If pitch is not found, then we have to return a response code 404. And if the request body is invalid, then we have to return a response code as 400. So let me show you a code for this. This is the API for creating a counter offer. These are some checks I have included in that for the request body, if it is invalid or valid, uh, for finding a pitch, then creating an offer, pushing an offer, and then returning a response as we have to, as mentioned in this page. And the next api is we have to fetch all the apis in the reverse chronological order. That is, the last inserted one pitch should come at the top. So code for this is here. Basically, I have sort a pitch and then returning a response as mentioned. Then the fourth api is uh, to to fetch a single pitch. Basically, we will give a pitch id in the request body, and we have to uh, fetch details of that pitch. So let me show you a code. This is the code. we will find a pitch if this pitch exists or not. If pitch found, we will then return a response as mentioned. So let's use Postman to test this. Uh, my server is already running, so let's start with the first API, that is to post a pitch. So it is working fine. It is returning a response as 201, and in the response it is also returning a ID. So let's check the second API, that is to make a counter offer for the given pitch. So let's copy this ID. Okay, so this is also working fine. It is giving a response as we are expected, an ID and a status code 201. So let's test the third API, which is endpoint to fetch all the pitches in reverse chronological order. So this is this API to get all the pitches. Here it is. It is returning a pitch. Here is the counter offer in it. Uh, then test the fourth API, which is to return a specific pitch. Okay. Yeah, so this is also working fine. So thank you guys, and thank you Crio for this project. Thank you guys.